Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here with the remarkable achievements of our students in UGC NET-JRF December 2025. So we had a grand success in the exam and almost 29 students as per the information received by our team, out of which the following students have submitted their pictures along with the NOC, right? They wish to share the success with the community. So the following students have done remarkably well in the exam and they have qualified the exam for December 2025. So we would like to congratulate the following students who qualified JRF or NET-LS or PhD only. We will be preparing them for the interviews for the upcoming sessions of the PhD. So the following students have successfully qualified the NET-JRF exam in December 2025 attempt. So we have Dipali from Central University of Haryana. She qualified JRF with NET-LS. Pankaj Sharma from Jammu Kashmir. He qualified a JRF as well as a NET-LS. Rashmi Sharma from Ludhiana. She qualified a JRF and NET-LS. Then we have Akansha Tomar. She qualified a NET-LS. We have Vyanjana Yadav. She qualified a NET-LS. We have Shiksha. She qualified a NET-LS. We have Yuganshi from YMCA Faridabad. She also qualified a NET-LS. We have Shreya. She qualified a NET-LS. She is from Lucknow University. We have Minakshi Sharma. She qualified a NET-LS. We have Keshar Verma. She qualified a NET-LS. We have Ranjan Pratap Singh. He also qualified a NET-LS. We have Manu Sharma from ISM Dhanbad. He qualified a NET-LS. We have Shubham Abhishek from NIT. He also qualified a NET-LS. We have Vedehi Sharma. She qualified PhD only. We have Komal Mishra from IP University. She qualified a PhD only. We have Israel Khan. He also qualified a PhD only. We have Riddhi Tripathi. She qualified a PhD only. We have Arpita Mitra from YMCA Faridabad. She also qualified a PhD only. Nancy Agrawal. She also qualified a PhD only. We have Govind Kumar, who qualified a PhD only. So these are the candidates who have shared their information with us on time. Rest people either not share the information. So we congratulate them also. And we would guide them for the upcoming future PhD interviews. At present, the institute is offering offline, online correspondence with video and only correspondence program for NET-JRF June 2026. We are also offering the programs for GATE, Environmental Science and Engineering and Ecology and Evolution for 2027. We also offer CUET PG and Life Sciences training programs and interview programs. So those who are interested, they can reach us as early as possible for the grand success in very first attempt. Once again, we would like to congratulate all our students for such a remarkable feat, and we would guide them for the better interview and research proposal program for the upcoming PhD admissions. Thank you.